Making a major splash onto the UAS scene is the Autel Evo II Dual. This compact UAS is the size of the well-known DJI Mavic, but with the features of some of the bigger UAS on the market. What's unique about this particular drone is the fact that it's very compact, it's easily deployable, but yet you get all of the resolution and capabilities of the much larger drones. The Autel Evo II really puts a lot of the control into the pilot's hands and the responsibility. So the pilot has to make sure that they're flying in areas that they know that they're supposed to be, because there's not a geofencing restriction with this particular drone. As far as firmware updates, again, that's on the pilot. They need to make sure that they're keeping this up to date on all the firmware. And as far as data transmission, again, the pilot owns where that transmission of data goes. So the privacy and security of this particular product is really unmatched at this point. This particular drone has the ability to capture video in 8K and also a 48 megapixel camera. From the pilot's perspective, you have 4 times the zoom capability with this particular drone. The thermal imaging camera provides you, as the pilot, with the ability to have a picture-in-picture mode and also to be able to zoom in and enhance that image that you're looking at. To accomplish the mission, the Autel Evo II is not only compact and easily deployable, but it has a flight time of nearly 40 minutes to allow you as the operator to capture all of the information that you need to in one single flight. Public safety deals with a wide variety of environments, both day and at night. It's so important that this particular model has an excellent obstacle avoidance capability. Again, so maneuvering in and out of those environments that you're really trying to capture information real time to drive decision making, this is a fantastic product for that. Another key feature that's really important in helping drive decision making is being able to have real-time updates on what's actually going on. Autel's Live Deck allows just that to happen. It's a streaming device that provides all of the information being captured real-time in the air to all the boots on the ground. They're able to identify what the threat might be and what some possible solutions will be to that problem. For most public safety agencies, integrating third-party software could also be of importance. The SDK option through Autel allows just that. Focusing in on the mission is what's most important to that public safety professional. The Autel Evo II, with all of its obstacle avoidance capability, allows just that to take place. All of the focus and attention is more driven towards the mission than the actual flight of the drone. This particular drone really is suitable for the public safety application. It's very compact, yet easily deployable. It will provide an enhancement of opportunities, whether you're in a search and rescue situation, if you're looking for a wanted fugitive, if you're dealing with a structure fire or a hazmat situation, among others. It has a long flight time to give you that opportunity to really take a look at what it is that you're dealing with at that point in time. To find out more information about the Autel Evo II Dual and how to purchase one for your agency, contact us at grescouas.com.